Can you install a rooftop cargo carrier on BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback? Unfortunately, installing a rooftop cargo carrier on a BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback may not be the most feasible option. The BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback is a compact and sleek car, designed for performance and agility rather than for carrying bulky cargo on the roof. Rooftop cargo carriers are typically designed for larger vehicles such as SUVs, trucks, and vans, which have the necessary roof space and weight capacity to support the additional load. The BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback may not have the structural support or roof rails required to safely install a rooftop cargo carrier. Furthermore, adding a rooftop cargo carrier to a compact car like the BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback may affect the aerodynamics of the vehicle, leading to increased wind resistance and decreased fuel efficiency. It could also compromise the handling and stability of the car, especially at high speeds or in adverse weather conditions. If you are in need of extra storage space for your belongings, it may be more suitable to consider alternative options such as a trunk-mounted cargo carrier, a hitch-mounted cargo carrier, or simply packing lighter and more efficiently for your trip. Ultimately, the safety and performance of your vehicle should be a top priority, and it is important to consult with a professional or the manufacturer of your vehicle before attempting to install any aftermarket accessories that could potentially compromise the integrity of your car. What are the best rooftop cargo carriers for BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback? As a proud owner of a BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback, you may be wondering about the best rooftop cargo carriers that are compatible with your vehicle. Rooftop cargo carriers are essential for those who need extra storage space for road trips, camping adventures, or simply transporting larger items that may not fit inside the car. When it comes to choosing the best rooftop cargo carrier for your BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback, there are a few key factors to consider. First and foremost, you will want to ensure that the carrier is the right size and shape to fit securely on the roof of your vehicle. Additionally, you will want to consider the weight capacity of the carrier and ensure that it is suitable for your needs. One highly recommended rooftop cargo carrier for the BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback is the Thule Motion XT Rooftop Cargo Box. This sleek and stylish cargo box offers ample storage space and is designed to fit securely on the roof of your vehicle. With a weight capacity of up to 165 pounds, the Thule Motion XT is perfect for transporting a variety of items, from luggage to sports equipment. Another great option for your BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback is the Yakima Skybox Carbonite Cargo Box. This durable and lightweight cargo box features a sleek design and offers plenty of storage space for all of your belongings. With a weight capacity of up to 165 pounds, the Yakima Skybox Carbonite is a versatile and practical choice for your next adventure. Overall, when choosing a rooftop cargo carrier for your BMW 1 Series 118D hatchback, it is important to consider factors such as size, weight capacity, and compatibility with your vehicle. By selecting a high-quality and durable rooftop cargo carrier, you can ensure that your belongings are safe and secure during your travels.